Welcome to Terry's Diverse Horizons, a place where we explore faith, history, culture, and the big questions with honesty, wit, and sometimes a dose of uncomfortable truth. Let's be real. Family relationships today are hanging by a thread. Cousins barely talk. Aunts and uncles disappear unless there's drama. Nieces and nephews grow up knowing TikTok trends better than their own grandparents' voices. And somewhere along the line, we stopped practicing real Christianity. Not the Sunday-only version. Not the I'll post a verse but won't live it version. Actual walk-the-walk faith. We used to gather, pray, and talk. Now we scroll, swipe, and ignore. Well, not today. Today, we're calling it out and offering a real path forward. At number 1, the internet didn't destroy families. We let it. We love to blame the internet for everything. But let's face it, it didn't walk into our homes and unalive family values. We opened the door, handed it the keys, and said, "Sure, raise my kids, entertain my family, keep us distracted." Before screens, families talked. Now they sit in the same room, each trapped in their own digital universe. At number 2, relatives today feel like strangers. There was a time when cousins were your first friends. Aunts and uncles were second parents. Grandma's advice meant more than a Google search. Today, you can live 10 minutes away and still feel oceans apart. This isn't progress. This is spiritual isolation disguised as convenience. At number 3, we stopped practicing faith together. Let's be brutally honest. Many Christians today only show their faith when it's convenient. Online, in memes, in posts designed to look holy rather than be holy. We traded prayer circles for group chats. We swapped reading scripture together for binge-watching shows. We replaced Jesus with algorithms. But faith was never meant to be personal only. It was meant to be lived, shared, and passed down. At number 4, the way back starts with one person, you. You can't force family to change. You can't drag relatives back to Jesus, but you can lead by example. One person choosing faith can shake a whole family tree. One person reconnecting can inspire others. One person showing love can reignite bonds. Be the spark, even if you stand alone at first. That's how revival always begins. This has been Terry's Diverse Horizons, where truth still matters, family still matters, and faith still wins when we actually live it. If you believe families can be restored, if you believe faith can return to our homes, if you know Jesus still changes hearts today, then share this video. Not for views, but because someone in your family needs to hear this. And hey, if you want to support the mission, you can always buy me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/Terry's Diverse Horizons. More videos coming soon. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay humble.